Can you guess what it is? Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And to everyone, welcome to 2021's 5th episode of
The Masked Finger.
I'm using full coverage clear coffin nails by MASKED, and our very special guest character for today will help you with all your organization needs. It's a nail polish rack. Nail polish rack is pretty new to the room and hasn't collected many polishes yet, but you just wait because it'll be no time before it's filled with all kinds of colors and brands. Nail polish rack is great to have for keeping your room neat and tidy and arranging your polishes in a particular order if you're OCD like me. So, about these nails, this was pre-recorded some time ago, and while it's been waiting for editing, I actually forgot what polish I used for this set, so we're just winging it today. Besides, it's all about the game, right? And I'll just go ahead and explain this for anyone who's joining for the first time. If you haven't been here before, the objective is just like the real Masked Singer. Our guest character, Nail Polish Rack, is covering up something nail related, maybe a product that was used or a design that was created. During the video, we will give you 3 clues to help you try to figure out what nail polish rack is hiding underneath. The idea of making it to the premieres is important. Anyone who guesses correctly first during the active premiere will get a shout out in the next episode. It doesn't matter if you're a viewer, subscriber, YouTube content creator, you're on Instagram, TikTok, there's an internet full of love to give. And now has come the time for your first clue.
I have to get charged up for this.
What kind of clue is that?
I don't know. How do they even come up with these clues, right? Sometimes I even think I got it, then don't. These are always such fun episodes, and Wednesdays are not only a big day for Masked Finger in our family, we actually keep time to watch the real Masked Singer when our premiere is over. Oh, I remember now, I decided to do some stamping, and I think I did this in the blue, pink, and purple. Right, I used black for the stamp outline and filled it a little here and there with those colors. By the way, if you like the nails I'm wearing and haven't seen it yet, it's from yesterday's Bougie Nails on a Budget. It's a stained glass design I was doing with a little chit chat. I'll have a link for it in my description box. That stamped pretty well. Oh, I remember last year finally getting stamping down. And sorry for being out of frame. What I was doing was clearing any unneeded part of the stamp with Scotch tape. This takes us into our second clue.
Sometimes my energy lasts a long time.
What's that got to do with nail polish?
That's what I'm wondering. Wow, mind-boggling, but it's so much fun watching everyone trying to figure this out. Once I have the colors in the flowers, I put some clear top coat over the design and let it dry. I'm trying to figure out what flowers I want to show the most on the nail. I melt any of the extra stamp away with some acetone. We hope you're enjoying today's masked finger. Also, if you haven't seen any of the previous episodes, there have already been 4 of them. Remember to check them out too. There'll be links at the end of this video. Here is your third and final clue.
I will comfort you when you're afraid at night.
Comfort me?
Yeah, I wonder what that means. We are really rooting for someone to get this today. It's so rewarding to our work for us to watch the participation. It's just as suspenseful for us waiting for the answer. If you only knew our excitement when we see someone guessed it. Then I add a few stones to mimic the flowers in the stamp print. 1 in the center with 5 around it. But you know what? I didn't realize how difficult it would be to see this with the dark background. But let's give a round of comments for our nail polish rack. Everyone, I love that it's clear and will go in any room decor. And the moment has now come to know what nail polish rack is hiding. But before we reveal that to you, nail polish rack, do you have any words for the viewers?
I truly enjoyed being here for this. It was quite an experience you wouldn't believe. You should subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the upcoming episodes because I really, really enjoyed it.
Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off.
Aw, nail polish rack, you are so helpful to us, but we're on edge wanting to know what you really are.
I got to know what it is.
Yeah, I can't wait. Today, we are featuring someone again because she guessed another one right for the 2nd time, guys. Omnia's Wish. Omnia has been a regular participant in the premieres. Thank you so much, Omnia, and this is her YouTube channel where she does wonderful dip nails and more. Head over there after this and let her know we sent you in love. There's still a hot minute to get this. It's glow in the dark. Glow in the dark, you are so lit, and you do make me feel better when it's dark. We all love you. Everyone, here's your final look at glow in the dark together with its mask, formerly known as nail polish rack. Thank you so much for enjoying today's show. Consider subscribing to my channel for more fun like this and other nail content. And we will see you next time. Much love.